Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aries, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here first. We have Hermit, Four of Fire, and Ace of Earth. So in your situation today, guys, Aries, it may be in your work situation or in your career situation. You are aligning yourself with success, and you are, you have the talent, skills, whatever you need, and you're using all that to proceed in a positive way. You are making an impact on the people around you, maybe in your work or in your family. You are radiating confidence and your cheerfulness, and people see you as a very a loving, caring person, and you are attracting their attention with your cheerfulness and confidence today, guys, Aries. And I also see that in your situation today, you are making some important choices for yourself. You are thinking about what needs to be done, and you want to change the way you think or you deal with your life today. And you want that clear perception about your situation, and you are thinking your circumstance from a different perspective, gaining that knowledge, and you want to make the right actions today, guys, Aries. And I see that you are celebrating some kind of an initial success. It may be in your relationship or it may be in your work. So something has happened, a positive change, and it is giving you happiness today, and you are celebrating it with your friends or family or with this person you love, and you are focused on that cheerfulness, confidence, and you are happy. That is what I see, guys, Aries. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Three of Fire. So in your situation, guys, you are on the right path. Maybe the decisions you made in this love, it is the right thing for you to do, and you have made the right choice for you today. So whatever it is, maybe if it is true love you have with this person, you are planning to get engaged or married, that is the right choice. But if it is not true love you have, maybe it is just an attraction or it's just a casual fling, you are letting it go. That is the right choice for you, and it is your authentic choice, whatever your heart desires. So that is what is going to work the magic in your life today, guys. And you are having a harmonious attitude today, and I see maybe you are in true love, guys, and this is true love. That is also what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys, Aries. We have Magician. So we were speaking about cheerfulness and confidence, and with this card here we also see that that divine will is also working to make you reach success in your career situation, guys, and you are going to feel inspired, confident in your situation, committed to your success. You are working hard, and that divine energy or that higher spirit or God, whatever you call it, is helping you reach success. That is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, Aries. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be a fairy tale pick a card love reading. So we have two cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have two crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is fair, brown, and trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you. So you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are, you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality, and the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like, and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato, wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone, and people close to you. It may be your family members or friends, whoever it is. They are trying to control your decisions, and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened, and you are in a lot of stress and troubles, But whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings uh, to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys. And this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your love, true love, will come to you. For sure, it will come back to you and it will find you. So you need to uh, just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation, and whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.